What is the distance of Moon from Earth? 384,400 kilometers. What are sound travel faster, either in water or air? In water. What is the opposite of matter? Antimatter. What is the amount of salt in average human body? 250 grams. What is the reason for popping up bubbles? Bubbles get dry from the surrounding air. Which is the first law of conservation of energy? Energy is the universe is consistent and can be neither created nor destroyed, but can be transferred from one to another. How many bones are there in human body? 206. What is xylem? The hollow woody tissue is plants that carries water and minerals from the roots throughout enter the plants. What quantity of dust in homes is made of human skin? Almost 70%. Can human lick their elbow? Yes. Will there be any impact on your height if you go to space? Yes, height will increase. What is the manometer used for measuring the pressure of closed system? Which organism is known as the oldest fossil? Blue green algae.